जिजिविषूणां जीवानां आत्मप्रेष्टा इहेप्सितः का उत्सहेत तं धातुं भीक्षमाणाय विष्णवे. In this material world, every living entity is very much addicted to his material body, struggling to keep his body forever. Everyone tries to protect it by all means, even at the sacrifice of his all possessions. Therefore, who would be prepared to deliver his body to anyone, even if it is demanded by Lord Vishnu? Very interesting line. You know what is happening? That Devatas were in great trouble. Actually, they only created their trouble by unnecessarily killing Twashta's son, Vishwarupa. And Twashta, the father, became so angry that he created a demon, a powerful demon by the name Vrittasura. Now, when the Vrittasura came, the Devatas were unable to fight with him. So they panicked and they ran to Lord Vishnu. What should he do? And Lord Vishnu appeared. First, he scolded the Devatas. Why you are not seeing me offering pure devotion service? My Lord Vishnu, you are so powerful. Please kill this demon named Vrittasura. So anyway, he gave them the way. After lamenting that they are not on the platform of pure devotion, as we are developing last few days, Mahagatam again and again upholds pure devotion and rejects any kind of mixed devotion. So Dadichi, now you see, similarly, he is having some fun with the Devatas. He says, how can I give up this body? And Prabhupada has quoted a nice verse, Sanskrit. He says, Atmanam sarvato rakshet tato dharmam tato dhanam. General policy of people is this: first protect yourself, then your money, then your religion. It's basically an emergency. Suppose somebody catches. So what do people do? They say, you take all my money. You take everything. Leave me alone. Don't kill me. That's what they do. When the robbers come inside house many times, people say, do whatever you want. But leave us alone. You take all our money, no problem. So people want to protect generally their own body. And previous shloka he says, you are asking me to quit the body. Are you not aware of the pain of death? Because body gives excruciating pain at that time. How can I do it? So generally this is a situation. Death is a situation in which person, Prabhupada says, even though this body is not going to live forever, but we want to maintain it at any cost. At any cost we want to maintain it. Even at the Prabhupada used to sometimes joke, the Parikshit Maharaj, he knew he has 7 days. And the way we are living, we are thinking as if we have 7 million years. We are not at all aware how the time is flying and the great exam is coming. Just like you have an exam. Now they don't have, I think they want to introduce from next year. They're lucky this year. The board exam for 10th also. Okay? So how much tension will be there? Everybody will keep reminding. They will remind or not at home. Only 3 months are remaining. Your exam is coming. Only 1 month is remaining. What are you doing? But people do not know death is an exam. They think it's the end. That society is all things it's an end. They're just saying all the elements of the body. That's how the will goes and merge with the material nature, and it's all over after that. There's nothing more. And they have a vague concept, rest in peace. Meaningless concept. They don't even know what they're talking. What rest? What is going to rest? The body is, we think we are only the body. Ask these people, joker, they say rest in peace. I've given so many answers to this. Okay, but what is going to rest? If the body is buried, it's all over. We are talking about the rest of the body. It's already resting. What rest? They have no answer. This is unfortunate. Or the Hindus, they burn the body. So what is going to rest? Body is burned, no? Okay. They have no idea actually. Simply humbug. Prabhupada says so many prayers people sing. I think we also were singing when we were in the morning assembly. Tumi, Tumi, Tumi. Prabhupada said that Tumi, Tumi, who is that Tumi? Why you are speaking so vaguely? Right? They say, Tumi Mata cha Pita cha Veva, Tumi, Tumi. Are Tumi, Tumi, who is that Tumi? They will not teach once what is that Tumi. No knowledge about that. So the whole life actually goes, and nobody reminds us. You know that a famous joke. Somebody told God that God came to give him benediction. He said, anyway, I'm enjoying the world. Just tell me when my death is coming. So it happened and suddenly the death came. He said, see, you promised me you'll give me some reminders. He said, I gave you a lot of reminders. First all hair became white. One reminder. Then your tooth started falling. Second reminder. Correct? Then you had this problem. So many reminders kept coming. And visible. It's not that these reminders are vague. Very visible. You can grossly see. But you are not seeing these reminders. And similarly, the examination comes. The reminders keep coming. But we don't take it seriously. We as if still millions of years are there. And we don't prepare. Because the devotees are joking. If somebody is informed that death is about to come, how nicely he will chant. Prabhupada says rather we should always feel. Now I am not on the platform, to be honest. So Prabhupada says we should always feel death is waiting. Mrityu Purusha is waiting. He will run, come and grab us. There is in the Bhagavatam the instance of the death. Whose death is it? Anyway, Prithu Maharaj's death? Where Mrityu Purusha comes and he puts his leg on the head of Mrityu Purusha and goes to the Vaikuntha Vimana. The Bhagavatam, there is the narration of a death. Anyway, Bhagavatam records the death of great devotees. Maybe Ajamila itself. May not be Ajamila. Maybe Dhuruma. Somewhere, one of the death of a great personality. So, when Mrityu Purusha comes running, when the death is coming, so that person goes, he takes blessing of all the sages there, even that place. Vaikuntha Vimana lands up. But he's still not proud. Imagine how special it is. We will, see? In a small car we have, we become so proud. Vaikuntha Vimana landed and Vishnu is saying, come, we are waiting for you. Eternally you will go to Vaikuntha. And he goes to all the sages, takes their blessings. That's the Vaishnava. And then he tries to approach the Vaikuntha Vimana. Suddenly Mrityu Purusha comes running towards him. Because the reason is, you cannot go in this body. You have to give up this body. So what he does, he takes his leg, puts on the head of Mrityu Purusha, blesses the Mrityu Purusha also, and in his spiritual body climbs the Vaikuntha Vimana. So very nicely Bhagavatam allegorically describes. He puts his leg on the head of Mrityu Purusha. He blesses him also. So we have to. And a devotee, on other turn, he becomes so fearless. Because when you feel that Krishna has given you shelter, and that is one of the principles of surrender, Avashya Rakshibe Krishna, you are not scared of death at all. And we see now, actually it is said, Dadichi was not scared of death. Therefore he was just joking. Because they have devatas are come, he is humble. These are all appointed by the Lord. Let me hear from them something about religious principle. Very happily he is hearing. And even Vritasura in the battlefield shows no fear of death. Death is about to happen to him. He shows no fear. Rather, he encourages Indra to kill him. Please proceed and kill him. There are many instances in the war. In fact, this narration here is very, very important. The reason being, what is the reason? Other scriptures say Bhagavatam is so nice because it has prayers of Vritasura. This is a very, very special area. It did not matter in what body he spoke those prayers. He spoke as a demon. But now this chapter you will see, he will start opening out slowly. His prayers he will start offering to the Lord in the battlefield. And Indra will be wonderstruck. In fact, he will say, what is this happening here? Muktanam api siddhanam narayana parayanaha. He says among crores of muktas and siddhas. You understand muktas? Muktas mean liberated, who have understood I am not the body. Siddha means similar, who has become a Siddha Purusha. Among crores of muktas and siddhas, we find a person Narayana Parayanaha. Narayana means Supreme Lord, Parayana means who are very attached to Narayana. Sudhullabam, they're very rare to get. What the full line? Sudhullabam Prashantatma. They are so peaceful. And he's so peaceful. Who? Vritasura is so peaceful. There are instances happening where he is hitting Indra, and Indra thrown the weapon which he has in his hand. So now nothing to protect him. He had only protection of the special weapon made from the bones of Dadichi, Narayana Astra, and it fell from the hand. Vritasura stood firm. Pick that up. Indra felt ashamed. He said, no, pick it up. And he said, how can I touch it? It has left my hand. Now you can kill me. He said, no. The Lord gave the weapon to kill me. You please pick it up. Imagine how peaceful he is. He is ready to have death. Anybody else will protect his body and finish off. We all like to prolong our life at the cost of everybody else. But here is the reverse situation. Just like so many people eat meat. The animal is dying. That's okay. I have to live. No, your plant also. No, some extra protein I'll get. They have so many nasty ideas. These demons, demonic people. Plants have better proteins. In fact, these are very difficult to digest. It's all things. A tamasic ahara. But no. Just for little pleasure of the body. Even though, is anybody going to starve in Mangalore if they stop eating meat? Is anybody going to die of starvation? There is enough fruits, vegetables growing here. Correct? So many things. Is full of vegetation, this place. But no. Because I want to go to hell. I made a determination. And so I will eat meat. Go. And the Prabhupada says what? Boldly going to hell. These people. So these people should be very careful. What are they doing? I should be very, very careful. Why? At your cost. Therefore, Dadichi Muni is doing reverse. For the benefit of others, he is ready to give his body. That's a gentleman, correct? But people are reverse. For their benefit, they will take everybody's body. Just like I heard somewhere in Syria now in Iraq, Mosul, someplace, the armies are attacking now, taking away from those people, crazy people. And they have put thousands of people as human shields. Yeah, you kill them. Acha, to protect me. What about this? What about their life? Why my life is so special? Correct? Why you are killing them? Why you are getting them innocent people killed? So this is the kind of mentality people have. But Dadichi Muni is reverse. Kotishu api Mahamuni. Among great sages, very rare to find such people. The one in Dadichi and another Vritasura. So Bhagavatam is actually full of examples of such personalities, which are Narayana Parayanaha, which are very, very dear to the Lord. In fact, in the Bhagavad Gita also Prabhupada uses this word. He says, we come in the parampara of Narayana Parayanaha. The people who are very, very dear to the Lord. This is a great chain of devotees, and we are at their shelter. Narayana Parayana, Bhagavat Parayana, there is Narayana Paraha. Narayana Para Sarve Na Kutasya Na Viviyati. Swarga Api Narkeshu Api Tulyat Darshinaha. What is the word which comes in Bhagavad Gita? Also one word. Mat Paraha. Prabhupada uses the word. What is the full line? Mat Paraha. In fact, Prabhupada says this is the parampara of Mat Paraha. Parayanaha, Paraha, which are very, very attached to Krishna. Okay? So this is the very situation in which Dadichi Muni is taking a supreme sacrifice, is giving his own life, but he wants to just hear little from the Devatas, just playing with them. Acha, you are asking you to leave the body. What about the pain of death? It is compared to the biting of thousands of scorpions together. It's very painful. And then he is saying, how can I do? This is the body with which I enjoy this life. Who will give this body up? Even in the order of Krishna. So he is first playing, and then he gets instructions from the Devatas. And after hearing the instructions of the Devatas, very happily, he leaves his body. The sages had the power. He leaves the body by his own will. He doesn't say, now you give me some poison or anything. That's a call in euthanasia today. And give poison to somebody and make him a ghost. Actually, they are not able to understand. So much debate is going about euthanasia, but the point is, if you are giving him, there are various varieties of euthanasia, but if you are giving him poison, then be ready, because you have destroyed a body which is God's gift to you, and be ready now for the punishment. You will not get a body. You have to roam around without the body. Okay. So here, Dadichi is not doing that by kind of active euthanasia. He will just sit down, by his will leave the body. And his body is very powerful because of severe tapasya, just like the Narayana Kavacha, which was delivered, was actually given by the Dadichi Muni to Twashta. Twashta gave it to his son Vishwarupa, and Vishwarupa gave to the Devatas. So his body is special in some subtle ways, and because of that, from his bones, Vishwakarma can design a weapon which will has the power to kill Vritasura. That will come now. Srila Prabhupada ki, Srimad Bhagavatam ki.